Hey guys, today we're going to open this giant mystery Boxy today from Target. So let's see what's inside. I'm not I don't know That's a rainbow Boxy and a stick. You guys popped out of my hand. I'm only doing this myself because I'm making my own video.
Ooh, what is that?
That's like that thingy.
Or a fidget spinner.
A fidget spinner, but it's a donut. It's like a donut Justin spinner, but like
Garbage.
That's pretty cool. That's satisfying. So it's gonna keep going on, going. Oh wait! What's that?
Show it to the camera.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Oh!
What is that?
It's Saki. Oh, it's a sticker. Oh, it's a sticker one. I'm good at fidget toys. I love stickers.
Let's see the stickers. Nope, the other way. This way. And
We have a donut and food.
ooh, what is that?
That's the Boxy cat.
Let's see the Boxy cat, guys.
Pew, 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 pew.
Let's turn her around. Wait. So you guys can see the whole thing. And I'll pull the rest out. Ooh.
I got it. Mom.
See more. Look what we got. We got a big stuffy. We got the mama.
No, not the mom.
It's the mama
No,
and the baby. Let me see.
no, it's not the baby. It's the kid.
Okay, the big brother
No.
and the little brother that's eating chicken.
It's not brothers, it's just sisters. When I'm watching the video again, I see a sticky, the waxy, the boxy, socky, this girl.
What's her name?
Taxi.
Couching?
Yeah.
I think you're making that up.
No, it's Boxy cat. I forgot her name, but we're just gonna call her. She's a cat with a box.
Oh my gosh.
So like, why does she sound? So like in the video, she sounds like a girl. So
Mm.
she's a girl.
Okay.
She's like both girls.
Hey, Aiko. I like your shirt, by the way. It's a skateboarding. Oh, they're both skateboarding.
Because they're friends.
They're friends.
So, that's all we had today. And I hope you guys had fun today. So comment below which toy you like from the Lankybox video. Thank you. Bye.